everyone, welcome to our lesson 3 class 1 of African drum with singing. Today I am going to teach you our drum beats that we are going to use on our song called Dumelang. Dumelang is a Tswana song which simply means greetings to you all. Our drum beats are bass tone, 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 tone. So we are going to try it on the drum slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we are going to try it again a little faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to try it again faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our African drum beat singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.